All right, let's check out this 4-inch kit that's going on this Jeep Wrangler. Got new control arms, top and bottom, upgraded shocks, upgraded dual steering stabilizer. This is going to be just a really good riding kit because, again, a lot of people are going to focus strictly here. So our shocks and our springs, but truthfully, in a lot of applications, hey, whatever's holding your control arm or axle on the solid axle truck, we got to make sure our angles are good on that. So that's going to get taken care of with these control arms. That's going to be a big factor in making this ride good, because who cares about if you've got an awesome looking truck and it rides like crud? Well, that's not going to happen here. But this these V2 shocks that Rough Country came out with, you get in on looking at those things, they're sweet. I really like those. But got the extended sway bar links there, track bar. Obviously we're not in there yet because you got to put this thing back on the ground, recenter the axle, all that good stuff. Got our extended brake lines braided. Same thing's going on, guys. Check out this little Jeep Wrangler TJ we built. This is going to be the 4-inch Rough Country kit. That's going to give you, actually it's 8 control arms are going to be all adjustable. So this is their X Series kit with their upgraded V2 shocks. Got it all nice and painted up through there. Painted all the frame, painted, got the coil springs all powder coated. Okay, let's go over the tires and wheels. 33 1250 Nitto Ridge Grappler. These are awesome, love these. We're always gonna tell you Toyota Nitto. They balance great. Then we went with an ion rim, nice satin finish on the rims. The Ridge Grappler are your hybrid tires. They're not all terrain, they're not mud terrain, super smooth riding and give you that killer sidewall. Great tire. We went on and tossed some new paint on our hood and our cowl, so one-stop shop got this thing looking killer. Check it out. So the other cool thing we got to do on this little Jeep Wrangler is we repainted this hood, we painted the cowl up here. We were able to buff it all over, make everything look nice and even, so you can't tell something was repainted. It just looks clean. So got it lifted, got it cleaned up, looking killer, all in your one-stop mom and pop custom shop.